Om Sri Matre Namah. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Moogambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam 11th August 2026 Adi Masam 26 Tuesday Parabhavanama Samvalsaram Dakshinayanam Grishma Ridau Adi Masam, that is Kadaka Masam, Krishna Paksham Tidhi up to 2:10 AM Chaturdashi, then Amavasya Bhaumavasaram, that is Tuesday. Nakshatram up to 10:32 AM Punarbhusham, then Pushan Nakshatram. Today is Rahuvalam 3 to 4:30 PM. Yamagandam 9 to 10:30 AM. Guliyagalam 12 to 1:30 PM. Good time 7 to 9 AM, then 4:30 to 5:30 PM. Today is Chandrashtam for Dhanurashi, Shulam North. Prayachittam Milk. Sradhatidi Chaturdashi. Today Maasa monthly Shivaratri day more. Tomorrow is Amavasya. Today we are conducting Pratingra Yagam in the evening. Ma Pratingra will bless you in all means. Sagala Shatrudosha Nivarana Siddhyartham, Sagala Drishtidosha Nivarana Siddhyartham, Pratingra Murti Sambhurna Anugraha Prasada Siddhirastu.